specific process and detailed steps of magnesium oxide ball press production below. Magnesium oxide ball press, driving detailed steps. 1. Clean up sundries and fix bolts before starting. Check whether all bolts of the machine are loose or fall off. After removing the load, the ball press is allowed to start. Only when the motor steering is consistent with the steering of the big wheel of the motor can the tripod test machine be installed. 2. Magnesium oxide ball press test machine. First, use the point method to make the motor pulse rotation, such as no other noise. Normal operation can be started. It is strictly prohibited to start the heavy truck, and the machine can be put into production after normal operation. 3. When feeding the magnesium oxide ball press, the electric feeder should be ensured to feed evenly, and the electric feeder should be adjusted to the best effect according to the warehouse pressure. Hydraulic station pressure should be controlled to 18 to 25 megapascals to ensure the strongest pellet effect. 4. After the end of each shift, the material in the ball press bin should be used up. Do not leave raw materials. Avoid starting with load later. 5. Normal stop or emergency stop and start the opposite order.